68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that can help you make smarter choices about your supplements. You'll see a QR code throughout this video. Scan it anytime. It links to my Informed Choices Guide, 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement. It's a quick, easy guide to help you select supplements that work for your health goals. Imagine waking up ready to seize the world. That's what the right high quality, easy to absorb supplements do for you. Not just any supplements, I'm talking about ours. We craft supplements with top notch ingredients for swift absorption so you receive nutrients precisely when needed. They boost your health, elevate performance, and fend off bugs. You know those generic supplements, often full of junk? Ours aren't. They're pure, potent, and electrify you with real energy and vitality. With the right stuff, you build strength and endurance, bouncing back from tough workouts quickly. Plus, your focus and mental clarity skyrocket. Now, it's not magic, it's about consistently nurturing yourself with products that deliver, ready to feel your best and keep health issues at bay. If you're ready to take control of your health, scan the QR code before we wrap up. It's your link to the Informed Choices Guide. Take advantage of 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2020.